Hi everybody, we have a swarm, first swarm, and this year sits for these trees is swarm first, and first swarm always big, not small, and we have too many bees. Right now we have one family who is last year doing swarm, this year doing again swarm. What do you need right now? Swarm sits right here. Need know how pick up this swarm. This is strong trees. We cannot shake right here. And very strong. Where is queen? Queen must be sits upstairs right here, where something. We have three ways. We don't see queen. If we will see, pick up. If we don't see, we cannot pick up. First idea, need to make empty beehive. We right now to make empty beehive. Come here, look here. We're doing ready empty beehive. Right here, very good comb, young, one. Right here, second, young, two, not bad. For swarm, it's perfect. This is comb have a little bit honey. It's perfect. And put right here. And next comb, again we have honey, not bad, both sides, a little bit, died bees, because this family we have small, and persuade, died. After winter this family persuade, because too small, not too many. Only we have good family, good comb. It's good comb for honey, honey we have for first moment, for swarm it's perfect, and stuck in right here. It's good. Bottom, we clean up bottom, everything clean up. Right here, must be empty, and screen. What to do right now? Right now will be put together ender swarm, this beehive. Pick up this beehive. Because the swarm sits not long time, not too high, and very good. We can put right here. Like better? We can put right here maybe, like this better, because fly. Sunshine. Okay, good. Right now we need bottom something, put right here. And just put something bottom. This is last year. Plywood or plastic. Put bottom right here.
The entrance?
For enter more. And put right. No. Just me put black something. Metal, wood, black or rock. For strong. Right here must be good. No go down and straight. Why put this? It must be pressing and very straight go inside. Right now we can put cover right here. And this is must be cover top one after temporary. We'll be doing steps by steps because with big trees we cannot shake. We're doing steps by steps. Swarm must be go inside himself. How swarm go inside himself? It's easy because what we need it right now? Right now we need small wood or something. Right now we put some piece inside for this plywood or something, laminate, what do you have, and pick up from trees right here, slowly, and take out and put right here
Entrance?
for entrance. If queen stay here, no problem. Honeybees go inside. See, honeybees go inside because another bees who is have some bees go inside, some bees like spy come back, give information for here. We help for here a little bit pick up because this is swarm sits not too much right. How not too much right? This is we cannot shake. This is not skinny trees. This very big trees. And take right here out and put right here again. Pick up next one. Queen mostly sits up. Always for swarm, queen sits up. Right now take out slowly and everybody go inside step by steps. Because if everybody go inside one moment and too warm, too much fog and too heavy for bees. Because bees go inside, look here, bees go inside steps by steps. And ventilation, go inside and ventilation. Because if not ventilation, and will be too much fog, too much hot, and
Steamy?
yes, steamy. You're right. And put again. Some bees fly and return back. Give information right here. Some bees go inside, and bees who go inside and doing special place, ventilation, and everybody come on steps by steps. Right now, we can live right here. It will be start, family start will be down, up, down, up. After 30 minutes, everybody sits inside. 90%, 90%. Not every time, only 90%. And mostly be a little bit control. Bees, if fly inside, will be good. Or if you want more work, continue right here. You can do it more because if you can, because sometimes we cannot. You see like this, swarm stay right here, and we cannot pick up normal. And put right here again. This swarm, first swarm, we parts bees put inside. Right here, continue more, a little bit pick up, a little bit more pick up. Right here, queen always sit stop because we're not afraid, not scary, not kill queen. It's a practice to many beekeeper who is no. And you see like this, some bees go inside automatically. And if you cannot pick up, sometimes trees, you live like this after 30 minutes, everybody bees go inside.
So if you cannot reach the rest of them,
Rest,
they will go on their own inside?
yeah, we can live right here. And queen...
And then you normally don't do anything on top because you don't want to disturb the queen?
Normally spy come in right here, give information right here and return back. Give information.
Ти не трогаєш queen, щоб спеціально, да?
Yes, queen I don't touch before. Queen mostly be top one always.
So that you don't kill her on accident? Щоб ти її не вбив?
Yes.
Accidentally?
Because if you pick up swarm top one, you kill queen. You pick up swarm always bottom. bottom pick up, and you have 100% warranty. Don't have queen. Queen sits top one because we have trees right here and too strong. If shake and no right full down because we not shake. This second variant, steps by steps pick up this and put right here. Inside behind we put 5 frames, young frames, comp young, not too old. If you have too old, put old. What do you have right now? And after 30 minutes, old swarm go inside right here. You can move in this behind your place. Where do you want normal place? Stay always. This is temporary place. Put about swarm because easy swarm, easy go down, go down, go down. This for swarm sits very good for strong, and because
So the first swarm usually sits pretty low and pretty close to its original hive, да?
yes, you're right. First swarm always no
And it's usually
no
bigger
fly,
size.
no fly long distance. Stay about short place, maybe
And low, да?
yeah, 7-10 yard between behind, and not too high to trees, about 2-3 yard right here in your face, because queen too old, she cannot fly up. And plus first swarm, what kind? If you look in bees, if too many bees, it's first swarm. Second
So
swarm,
the first swarm, it usually has a lot of bees, like this.
lot of bees, and very very strong. And right now 29 March, this is 2020 to 29 March. This is good time. We have extra time more for the swarm. For April, bring honey. For May, bring honey. If your area have nectar around trees or flower, you'll have always one box honey, 10 frames. It's 100 warranty. It's very good present for you if you have first swarm. And
Can you talk a little bit about second swarm? How to tell if it's a second swarm? Как узнать, что это второй swarm?
second swarm always small, half right here.
About half of that?
Yeah, not too many right here stay. And second swarm not sits down. Second swarm sits up. You cannot pick up maybe 5 yard or 10 yard. It sits top one. You're looking like this. You say, swarm sits right here. I cannot.
So if a swarm comes out and sits high and far away, that means you probably missed your first swarm. Значит, пропустил первый swarm, да, если только первый раз видишь.
This is first swarm because we have early spring first swarm always go big and old queen. Right now, what to do right now? Right now need old family looking. If somebody not looking family, where go the swarm?
Where it came from?
We have queen. Как это?
Как по-русски говорить?
Маточники, как они?
Queen cells.
Queen cell. We have too many queen cell inside family. Queen cell we can look in.
That's where the swarm came from. You gotta look
Yeah,
there.
because if you're now looking about this not broken queen cell, you must, or you can do in 2 more family, divided old family for 2 more family, leave 1 queen cell one parts and 1 queen cell next part. If you leave 2-3, maybe go queen second swarm. Second swarm go 1 frames. This is first swarm, always 5 frames or more. Different situation, 4-5 frames. It's very very strong family and start very easy because too many fly bees and too many young bees and queen good lay down. It's very good situation if you have first swarm. Second swarm needed put feed, sugar syrup because slowly and need help for start a little bit because
But you can prevent that. Ты это можешь предупредить, чтобы не было второго, да?
yes.
You can prevent a second swarm by dividing the family?
Second swarm, we old family divided and leave 1 queen cell one side and second side 1 queen cell. It's this second swarm not come in.
Not come out.
If you don't see, you will have second swarm and third swarm and fourth swarm. It stays little bees because for bees need looking. If first swarm come in, you must look in another old family. What
And
to
divide
do?
it. Yeah?
Yeah, divide it or leave one queen cell not divided. It's
So you just break.
looking about situation. If too many bees stay inside, maybe
you can
to divide it better because it will be have more family. You have more business go up. You will be enjoy and plus honey come in. This swarm bring honey 100%. Thank you very much. Good comments, good questions. Subscribe. Hi everybody. 30 minutes go away. We have a little bit leave. Everybody go inside. And
So what do you do if there's a little bit left and you have to go somewhere?
everybody right now spy, give information, everybody pick up and go down, go down, go down.
So do you shake it?
No shake it or smoking, or we can shake too if you want. Everybody down, looks down, how shake.
You need to shape up?
Shake, everybody fall down and go inside. Last bees, last bees. Last bees go inside, swarm himself go inside. No problem. Hey everybody. Hey everybody. Today 29 March 2020. What's happening? Today after 12 o'clock, middle day, we have swarm. Swarm go outside, we're doing video right now, you can see. Swarm command probably from this family. It's not too many bees fly right now. And after swarm, must be looking old family. Old family must be looking always. If you're now looking, it'll be go second swarm because
So you're saying to take a look at where that swarm came out from, right?
yeah, and because it will be have swarm cell, queen cell, and this queen cell, because all two queen fly and together swarm. After 1 week, maybe next swarm must be go from this family, because the keeper must be always looking inside.
So we are trying to prevent another swarm.
Yeah, another swarm we can doing stop. If you now looking, we not doing stop because too many queen cell. First queen go outside and fly, and outside this family divided again. What's this swarm? Swarm, it's family to first grow maybe 2 boxes and have lot of brood. And first swarm divided family help. Second swarm divided another time help. And third swarm divided family again help. First swarm have about 4 or 5 frames.
Of bees?
Bees seeds about frames. Second swarm have 2.5, 3 honey bees seeds in the frames. And third swarm have 1.5 frames. And sometimes family divided and nothing for you. It will to make beehive for new family. We have honey right here. 5 frames honey, and temporary put like this. And to take out. Like this. Too many brood. Good.
Миша говори a lot. Too many, слишком много.
Lot of brood. Right
That's
here.
a good thing, right?
It is good for bees. This is open brood. Right here. And this is drone. Yes, we have. So this is drone's brood. This is drone's brood too. ready. This side too. Drones too many. You see drones?
Is that too much drones?
Yeah, too much. This is frames drones right here.
Is that
too
bad or no?
much. For springtime it's okay because springtime everybody love drones needed. This only this is no needed for the keeper too much drones. Looks next one. Again, too much broods. Okay. Honey and queen cell right here.
Where?
Right here, queen cell. I don't see X. No X. Right here, queen cell. X right here.
На меня попадать.
Видно. Отойди в сторонку, ко мне, сзади. Ты не видишь яйцо вон лежит. Не видно яйцо?
I think you can see it, yeah.
А?
Да, видно.
Do you see X? На солнце.
Держите.
На солнце. Вот так вот видно лучше.
Смотри.
X inside.
Не считай ее вообще.
It's ready. Ready for X. Just meet looks next one. Right here, X2.
So, why?
Just now look. Yes. Lay down X. Right here, you see? Okay, this family must be ready for to make too many queen cell. We can divide it broods. We don't have 100% warranty. This is queen. We don't have because swarm out. Посмотри, swarm весь зашел. Там
No more swarm left?
no more swarm. Swarm go inside. This is brood. This is honey. Honey put right here. Brood live right here. Сейчас подвинем еще сюда, поставим вот эту вот назад.
You're just putting the honey frames back?
Honey frames return back and pick up frames which have brood because honey we have and divided family. Too many brood. Closet brood, it's perfect. And bottom
That's a big family, that.
queen cell, yeah, it's big family. Bottom queen cell right here. It's good. Drones good. Put right here. Doing more family.
So how many brood frames do you need? 5?
I don't know how many right here. If right here too many broods, we pick up, for example, if we have 7 broods, frame, 3, 4, pick up right here. Yeah, queen cell, always queen cell right here, X inside I see, and queen cell right here, 2, X inside, right here queen cell must be ready, you see, ready queen cell, you see like this,
What, has larva in it?
larva inside, and larva right here larva. open brood. Too many open brood, you see, like this. Open brood we leave right here. No problem. This queen cell on one bottom, second
Can you
bottom.
tell if there's varroa mites or no?
Varroa mites, maybe not too much. Not too much. We have little, only not too much. Because swarm come in. If swarm come in, it is
You mean
because
come out?
too many bees, and because varroa mites not too many. Because swarm, this family to make swarm. If to make swarm, it's 100%
Healthy?
not too many. Right here, you see queen cell.
Uh-oh, broken queen cell?
Larva.
Look, is that a
No,
queen?
no, it's drones.
Oh, that's a drone?
Drones broken. Queen cell right here. Right here, no broken.
Okay. So you can divide family even if the queen cell is not closed? Можно divide делать даже если не закрытая queen cell?
Yes. If not closed, we can do it. Queen cell, no problem.
You can still divide the family, no?
Yeah, divided. Four frames put right here.
4 frames of brood?
Yes. Perfect. It's brood? Yes, brood right here. 4 frames. And queen cell, normal. Its family will be grow to make queen cell like this family. Brood again. Too many drones. Too many. It's closed queen cell.
Oh, nice.
See?
Does it look healthy?
Yeah, looks healthy closet. If not to make this family very sweet, good.
Did you just eat a queen cell?
Yeah, this queen cell for here live. Late will be looking again. Okay. Maybe one more frames put right here.
One more brood?
Yeah. One more brood, one more.
Now, do we need to add another super pup?
I don't know bottom, what to do bottom. Too many drones because this family go. The drones right here. Drones right here, you see. I put right here drones.
So 1 frame of drones in there?
Yeah, 1 frame drones, 3 frames. I mean, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 frames.
Brood and 1 frame drones, да?
4. Maybe right here too. That's fine. New family, most of the grow. 5 frames is perfect. Easy to make next family. Why easy? We can put right here ready any frames put right here, no problem. Because too many fly bees go to swarm inside, stay too many bees young, and maybe next day, a couple days, 5 days, will be start fly and remember a new family. If you're doing it right now, divided this family, and this start fly right here, plus we have inside closet brood, and more bees come in, this family will be grow perfect. Right now here, must be moving and look inside, what do you have inside more.
Это уже готово, да?
This is family ready. 5 frames, it's perfect. And too many honey, we leave too many honey, it's ready family. Right now, take out and look in what do you have inside. Smoker. That's brood. Close it.
Did we forget to take out one queen?
I don't know. Maybe looking. Maybe stay queen, maybe not stay. Yeah, stay queen and that's to make.
She's dead?
No, that she died.
Died?
She died because this family to make new queen. First times to make new queen. Right now, take out. This is. Drone.
That's sad, Dad.
Drone died. We take out this, clean up these frames. Why? Because need looking inside and correct everything. Okay, temporary it's good. That smoker. 339. Perfect. Start looks. Why family give a swarm? Because no place, too hot. Brood.
Not enough room for all of them?
Yes, too many
That's why
brood.
it's swarmed out?
Eggs inside right here. She put eggs. It Lara good.
So half the bees swarmed. What is this then?
Drone.
The old drone or something?
Everything drone too many drone. It's one brood closet and bees, honey bees. This is no brood. This is we have a little bit drones. This is bee pollen nectar, because put right here inside, and this put inside right here, nectar and bee pollen put side. Correct always.
Yeah.
No problem. 1 minute. Right here little bit brood. And yeah, a little bit brood and eggs. Eggs, yeah.
That's good, Dad.
That's good. Leave right here. It is. See? Put finger.
You want to smoke them, Dad?
No problem. Most of the smoke for finger only right now too hot everybody. Again, too many eggs. Too many eggs.
That's good, right?
Yeah, too many eggs right here.
Покажем?
Покажи. Видишь?
I think so.
Видно яйца? Или не видно на солнце?
Нельзя считать там.
Вот так.
I think you can, yeah.
Вот дрон, крылышки у него подгрызены этим клещом. Вот она, видишь? Вот крылышко подгрызено клещом вот с той стороны. Вот она, он не может взлететь. Вот это крылышко, видишь, погрызено.
That's from varroa mites.
Varroa mites погрызил.
Varroa mites ate the wing.
Eat wing varroa mites for drones first. Brood fine.
Get some again.
Looks next one. Again, too many brood.
Wow, that's a lot of drones.
Drones, Lara, it will be. Right here too, Lara drones. Brood, good. Brood right here. Too many brood, too many. Right here, nothing. Big pollen. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frames brood. It's not bad. This is nothing brood. This is
Nectar?
nectar. Yeah. What to do right now?
Злючие какие-то.
Okay. This family perfect. We put inside everything.
Их не, you cannot divide, не можно опять divide делать?
Можно divided. This is leave right here. This is pick up and put for one more
New family?
new family.
So we did 2 splits from one hive, and it's warmed out today, so technically 4 families from one hive.
Because 5 brood right here and we don't have problem. This old family to me give for, we divided for 3 parts, for 3 family. And plus swarm. Total we have swarm and 3 family. Small house at Vodki.
Small nucleus?
Small nucleus. 5 frames it's for spring, early springtime, it's very perfect. And plus we have queen cell, every family, it's perfect. Okay, we have queen cell right here, we have queen cell right here, we have queen cell right here. No problem, family divided, perfect. Not big, not too
Когда
many.
можно treat varroa mites сделать? Да?
Late if after queen cell 16 day grow up, after 15 day will be fixed varroa mite because every brood go out, too many broods go out and queen will be born too. Okay.
So you can start treating them after about 15 days,
Yeah.
after the queens come out.
Okay, right now ready. Everybody happy? Me too. Good luck. If you do have questions, please questions again. It's not finished. We'll be late, we'll be looking again and correct family because sometimes bees fly, return back inside old family. If too many bees fly, it cannot keep in safe brood. Must be fix it or put again bees right here or frames who don't have bees pick up and put inside. Doing most bees must be sits inside frames for closed brood. If not too many bees, closed brood died. Good luck. Questions? No problem. Please subscribe. Hi everybody. We Saturday afternoon 29 March catch swarm and put right here for 5 frames.
So it's been the whole day
Yeah, and
before we looked inside?
Saturday, today Monday, 1st April, and we this family sits probably about 2 day, about today,
2
tonight.
days and 2
Yeah,
nights.
1.5 close. And right now, what's mistake? If you catch swarm, put inside, first moment 5 frames. After 2-3 hours, must be put more 5 frames. I am not put more 5 frames. What do you have right now? It's my mistake. Need fix it right now, mistake, and put more 5 frames. You see, construct and build new comb right here, and big swarm.
Wow, that's a lot of bees.
Lot of bees, because swarm catch all 5 frames, pick up, and doing more. Swarm always allow wax foundation, and mostly because good work. What to do right now? Right now, need it a little bit shake. Take out and put right here. Inside we put more new empty foundation will be work. Put close.